What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda. I want to make the case for iPhone cases. Hey, I've checked out TOOVREN cases on my channel before, and I've been really impressed with them, so I thought I would check this one out because you can see here, this is, well, it says gray, but it should be made for my iPhone, and I'm going to demo it on a dummy iPhone here because this one actually has some pretty unique features. As you might be able to see there, it's pretty loaded up. First of all, part of it is this pretty massive looking lanyard. It's more like guitar strap, the lanyard. You can see it's adjustable, dual colored here with a little clip on the end, all metal hardware. And that's because this case is almost like a merce or something. So first of all, let's take a close look at it. We have like a microfiber interior. This almost feels like a canvas, like a denim. It's soft, but it's I'm sure it's like microfiber. That'll keep your glass back clean. You can see we have a pretty robust plastic rubberized case here, just kind of your standard black. And this one should be for the iPhone Pro Max, which is what I have. And it does come in a variety of colors. I got it in this gray because I thought it looked pretty manly. And you can see we have the cutout here for the camera housing. Here is the D-ring for the lanyard, which is just as simple as this to attach. Boom! And then what we have here is, I think this is a snap. You can see you can snap it, looks like in a couple places depending on how thick it is. This also works as not only a handle, so I can secure it, but also as a tripod so that I can set it up. I really like this, especially when it doesn't look like a tripod. So that's one thing you can use it for. You can also see we have a little elastic on both sides of this little pouch here, so I can put in credit cards, business cards, ID badge, that kind of thing. And then when I snap it down, I don't have to worry about them sliding out, right? So that's pretty nifty. But I think the coolest thing to me is like that kickstand. So first of all, let's go ahead and take an iPhone Max, Pro Max, slide it in there. You can see really good fit. You get protection for the camera lenses, no problems accessing anything on the front. And then if I just take this little bad boy, clip it right there, now I can use it in a hostile or active environment without having to worry about losing it. But if I want to watch my movie, you know, season 1 Gossip Girl, I can put it right there and it's a great angle. You can even probably put it like that and get a little shallower angle, but look how usable this angle is. I mean, that's more than 45 degrees. I'd call it like 55, maybe 60 degrees vertical, which is perfect. So it's pretty nice, and then you don't have anything sticking out, and it doesn't really look overly mechanical. I just think that's a great looking case. Very utilitarian because of this, and then the pouch or the pocket there. But man, I can take that anywhere. Like I said, other colors available too. I'll put a link to in the description. Peter Von Panda. Out.